we're gonna do the cross-body lead. Classic cross-body lead. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Cuban break, and 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Cucaracha cross-body lead. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Inside underarm turn. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Leader head roll, and 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Quick tip for the leader, we're gonna go real low with that hand and then really high. So right here, you get super low, 2 to hook it, 3. Now you wanna lift it really high, 4 and 1. Super high in the back. That way when you take your head under, it's easier. 3, follower's gonna syncopate, and 4 and 1.
2, 3, 4, and 1. Follows body roll, optional, but you're gonna shift your weight onto your left foot. On 2. Hold 3, you're gonna go and 4 and 1. Syncopated timing. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1.
Quick tip for the leader. 2, 3. I'm gonna take that left hand and wrap it around my waist as I spin. And as I finish, I switch into my right hand. Then I simply have back on the right. As I step back on my left, I'm gonna ronde my right, and then rock, replace, side.
We love to take simple steps and make them super creative. And if there are any steps that you want to get variations on, just go ahead and leave us a comment below. And you might just see your suggestion made into one of our videos.
If you know people who love to dance, send them this video. And if you know people who hate to dance, send them this video twice.
I'm Li Wen.
Titus.
Dance Insanity. We'll see you in the next video.